Team B. Head or tails?
Heads. Head.
Heads.
Head. Head.
Heads. Your heads. Okay. First, who is going to play?
Hmm. Team.
Amruta. Team B, Amruta.
వీటిలో కొడుతున్నాం కొడుకు.
Most migratory birds arrive in India from colder places like Russia, Mongolia, eastern China, Siberia, among others during winter season. The pet cuckoo is one of the very few birds that comes to India from Africa during the summer months. Now, touch anything that is black and white in color. Name two other birds that are black, white, or black and white. అబ్బాయి అయితే చూపించు.
Black and white పట్టుకున్నారు.
Name two other birds that are black, white, or black and white.
Crow, cuckoo, sandow.
Teja from Team A. Start. One. One.
Farmers have traditionally relied on the arrival of the paid cuckoo as a signal to sow seeds. As they know that the monsoon will follow soon, the signal is right because the paid cuckoo arrives in India riding the southwest monsoon wind. Stretch your arm and point at southwest direction.
North, south, east, west. Southwest direction. Southwest.
నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ లో
వేసేసింది సార్.
In North India, Forlore, the pied cuckoo is known as the Katak dust only with raindrops. Its black rest is seen as second beak of that points up at the sky, waiting for rain to spin its dust. Ancient Sanskrit poet Kalidasa is famous poem Meghaduta Meghaduta compared the thirst of the pied cuckoo for the rain to the yearning of the pious heart for the divine. Find a natural element that consumed both by us and birds. That is consumed both by us and birds. Goa, Goa. Goa.
It's a natural element.
Goa is a natural element that is consumed both by us and birds.
They are brought by
brought by Team B by Amrita.
Take it, please. Okay. Pied cuckoo seen in India belong to two different types. One is resident in South India and seen in all year round. But in central northern part of India, pied cuckoos appear in the late summer and earlier monsoon, middle of May. These are migratory birds that move between India and Africa. Question. Listen closely. Can listen closely. Can you hear any bird call? Imitate that call.
You encountered Chatak, the pale cuckoo who has fallen from Africa, crossing the Arabian Sea. It is one of the first pale cuckoos who reached India in third week of May ahead of monsoon. As the monsoon arrives, spreads in June, sighting of pale cuckoo in India also spread until the entire Indian subcontinent is covered by the both rain as well as pale cuckoos. Spot something flying and describe it. And describe it. మీకు ఆగండి మీ క్లూ ఇవ్వకూడదు అలాగా
Describe the butterfly. We have spotted butterfly.
Butterfly is a flying insect. Butterfly is in colorful.
But to to burn to come butterfly, there is a four stages. Butterfly is yellow and black. It has small dots like black color. In black.
It is flying in air and it has some black spots on it. It is a brood parasitive, meaning it does not make any own nest and instead lays its egg in the nest of the other birds, particularly the warblers. Question. Go fetch any material that is used by birds for nesting.
ఇది మాది
ఎన్నోది సెవెనా స్టార్టా
పర్లేదు
పెట్టారా Migratory birds are known to have highly sight fidelity, meaning the birds return to the same location every year you meet Meg. Touch an object that you find in same place and you use again every day.
మీకు క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం కాల
It is a coconut tree. It gives us oxygen. It is a seasonal plant. Sorry, seasonal tree.
ఇట్ గివ్స్
It gives us coconuts
ఇన్ సీజనల్ రైట్
in seasonal wise.
and the dry leaves also used by birds to build nest for their livelihood.
Chatak and Mega will stay in the Himalayan foothills till the end of the monsoon season and start the return migration to Africa in late September. Pied cuckoos feed on insects including caterpillars, hairy caterpillar. Find an insect or a spider in the room. No, no. Wait, I will give.
What a spider web in a room.
దాన్ని నిలబెట్టు. వెళ్ళి చూడు, దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చూడు. ఓకే. ఇదిగో.